Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Hi, this is Sage for Kalkine Media. In this video, we'll take a look at the share price performance of the 3 ASX 50 consumer stocks in September. First on the list is Wesfarmers. Shares of Wesfarmers were quoted at $46.69 per share on the 1st of September 2022, and on 30th September it closed at $42.72 a piece. In September, Wesfarmers' share price recorded a fall of almost 8%. The company shared no price-sensitive news during September. However, back in August 2022, the company shared its full-year results for the financial year 2022. So during the year, the revenue increased by 8.5% and earnings before interest and tax declined 3.8%. Net profit after tax, including significant items, fell by 1.2% and operating cash flows dropped 32%. The company announced the full-year dividend of $1.80 Australian per share, 1.1% up from the previous year. Next on the list is Woolworths Group. As of the 1st of September 2022, Coles' share price was $17.77 a piece. By the end of the month, the shares were quoted at $16.43 per share. In September, Coles' share price shed nearly 7.5%. On the 21st of September 22, the company announced that it inked a building agreement with Viva Energy Group to sell its convenience and retail business to Viva, and under the deal, Viva would operate 710 Coles Express sites. With the execution of the acquisition, the current fuel and convenience alliance between the parties would terminate. It was due to end in 2029. Coles said that under the agreement, customers of Coles would continue to get loyalty benefits. And the company expects to close the transaction by the second half of financial year 23. Coles would receive sale proceeds of close to $300 million Australian dollars and would assign leases related to Coles Express to Viva on the completion of a transaction. And lastly for you, Woolworths Group. Woolworths' share price was quoted at $36.42 per share as of the 1st of September 2022. By the 30th of September 2022, the share price had dropped down to $33.95. So within a month, the share price recorded a fall of 6.78%. In September, the company provided a few updates regarding the acquisition of circa 80% of share capital, My Deal, for consideration of $1.05 per share. My Deal is an online marketplace, for those who don't know, in Australia that offers more than 6 million products. The acquisition is expected to increase the Woolworths marketplace capabilities in bulky goods and homewares. On the 6th of September, My Deal shared that shareholders have voted in favour of the scheme. On the 13th of September, My Deal updated that approval had been received from the Supreme Court of New South Wales. And the next day, the company said that the scheme had become officially effective. Well, with that, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for joining us on that one. Do share your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and also press the bell icon to be notified of upcoming videos. I'm Sage for Kalkine Media.